Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by verifying you have a wired switch-compatible controller and a USB-C cable. Inspect the cable for frays and confirm the connector fits firmly. Confirm the switch dock is powered and has an empty USB-A port available. Charge the controller to at least 20% before connecting to avoid interruptions. Use a cable shorter than 3 meters to reduce signal loss and power drop. Clear any debris from ports so connections seat securely and reliably. To play wired in docked mode, plug the controller's USB-C end into the controller port. Then plug the USB-A end into an open port on the switch dock. Insert the switch console into the dock and power it on to enter TV mode. Go to the Home menu and open Controllers to confirm the console recognizes wired input. Test movement and buttons in a game or the Home menu for immediate confirmation. Disconnect gently when finished to avoid port damage. If you want wired play in handheld or tabletop modes, use a USB-C OTG adapter that supports switch. Connect the adapter to the console and then plug the controller cable into the adapter securely. Update the switch system software and controller firmware to resolve compatibility issues. If the controller is not detected, try a different USB cable and reboot the console. Inspect ports for bent pins and test the controller on another switch to isolate issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.